Welcome back, book buddies. Today we have a sound book. It's called Baby's Very First Noisy Book, all about the garden. It looks like we've got birds and frogs and snails and bees and owls. And when we're done, we can put some stickers in our scrapbook. So we have some frog stickers, some bee stickers, some snail stickers. But let's read our book first. Let's go. Baby's very first noisy book, The Garden. Oh, look, it's got some birds in it, and they're going chirp, chirp, tweet. They're all singing. Listen to the birds. Oh, wow, how pretty. Chirp, chirp, tweet, tweet. Oh, very pretty birds. Oh, there's a little ladybug. There she is, a wee ladybird. Frogs. Did you hear a splosh at the end? They went, that one's sleeping. Zzz. This frog goes croak. Oh, ribbit, ribbit, croak. And that one's going splosh because he's diving into the pond. Splosh! And there's some dragonflies and they're bouncing on their lily pads. Lily pads. Oh, look at these bugs! And it's raining. You hear the drip, drip, drop, splash. Oh, the rain's falling on that snail shell. Drip, drip, drop, splash. Oh, that was a good one. We have snails and caterpillars and worms and ants and ladybirds. Oh, wow. Next looks like bees. Let's have a look at the bees. Oh, it's flying insects. Flutter, flutter, buzz, buzz. Oh, the bees are buzzing around collecting the nectar, and the butterflies are fluttering around. Flutter, 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 buzz, buzz. And the bees are in the bluebells and floating around the poppies. Oh, lovely. Oh, it's night time. There's the owls. They're going tweet, tweet. And at night time we can see the hedgehogs and the fox. And there's some moths floating around. And there's the owls going tweet, tweet. Oh, that's a very cool book. The birds. The frogs. The snails. The bees. And the owls at night time. What a cool book. Now, let's put some stickers in our scrapbook. So we're using a brand new scrapbook because we've finished our old one. And this one's got ladybirds on it, like the ladybird on the book. Make today amazing. So let's open it up. Nice fresh first page. And we're going to write noisy book, the garden. So noisy I-S-Y, book. And this one's all about garden, G-A-R-D-E-N. And we'll put some stickers in that was in our book. So first, I think we should start with a frog. Oh, look, the frog. This one's got a frog, and he's in the rain waiting for the bus. Like a frog sound. There he is, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. We can make the rain sound, because remember the rain was falling? Oh, where's our rain sound? Oh, the rain sound! And there's a snail. Remember this was the sound for the snail, because the rain fell on his shell. Let's pop him on. Hello, snail. He's saying hello to the frog. Hello, frog. And we have our bees. Let's pop our bumblebee on. Bzz, bzz, bzz. There he is, flying high in the sky. Oh, that was fun. And there was butterflies flying, remember? Put the butterflies in too. They were in with the bees. Oh, and here's another beautiful butterfly. There they go. And, oh, we did see a caterpillar. Let's pop the caterpillar on. Nice caterpillar. Oh, I like that one. They fly around at night time like the owls. Oh. What else can we put? Oh, look, there's another caterpillar. He looks like a book buddy. He must be reading the noisy book all about the garden. We can pop this ant on. Scuttle, scuttle, scuttle. Hello, ant. And what else? Oh, we did see a dragonfly floating around with the frogs. And flying up here, up into the sky. And oh, we'll have to put the wee ladybird on too. It's with the birds. Tweet, 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 tweet. And do we have room for one more? Let's put a little ant on to go with that ant. Oh, I think there's all full up. I like those stickers. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Do come back so we can read more books together. Please like and subscribe. Bye.